Understanding half the size of a guide for English learners. Hello and welcome to our English language learning channel. Today, we're going to explore a common English phrase, half the size of. This phrase is often used in everyday conversation, and understanding its meaning and usage can greatly enhance your English skills. So, let's dive in and demystify this phrase together. Half the size of is a comparative phrase used to describe something that is 50% smaller than another object or entity in terms of size. When we say something is half the size of another, we mean it's exactly half as big. This phrase is used to compare and contrast the size of two different things, providing a clear picture of how much smaller one is compared to the other. In this section, we will look at some examples to better understand how half the size of is used in sentences. 1. Comparing objects. The new smartphone is half the size of the older model, making it more portable. 2. Geographical comparisons. Rhode Island is about half the size of Delaware. 3. In measurements. She cut the recipe in half, so the cake was only half the size of what it usually is. These examples show how the phrase can be applied in different contexts to compare sizes. Sometimes, a visual comparison can help understand the concept of half the size of better. Imagine two boxes, where one is noticeably smaller than the other. If the smaller box can fit into the larger box twice, it means the smaller box is half the size of the larger one. When using half the size of, ensure that you are comparing sizes, not quantities or other attributes. For example, it's incorrect to say, the company is half the size of its profits last year. Here, size is incorrectly compared to profits, which are a measure of quantity, not size. I hope this video has been helpful in understanding the phrase, half the size of, and how to use it correctly in English. Remember, mastering such phrases will not only enhance your vocabulary but also your ability to express ideas more clearly. Thanks for watching, and happy learning!